My name is Tamara Hirschberger, and my friend and I were going to go to Disney, and we both decided that we were going to lose weight. And 2 weeks later, I had saw a video of Kaelin on Facebook, and I instantly signed up to be a lifer.
That's awesome. And now that you say that, I realize that I use you in a lot of examples when I talk to ladies on the phone. So you're helping people you don't even realize. So yeah, I know your story is pretty amazing.
It's crazy.
Yeah. So for you, and maybe you've had 1,001, but what was your breakthrough aha moment or moments throughout this?
I don't know how to answer that. Like how I got started.
Any time along the journey where it was just like, wow, like you feel like you reached a new level or something, a revelation that you didn't realize about yourself, or
okay,
anything.
So one thing that Kaelin, she had said to go on the Facebook page and sparkle everyone, like strangers, tell complete strangers how amazing they were. And I actually realized that if I can tell a complete stranger how amazing they are and how beautiful and strong, that I can actually do that to myself. And that is where I started learning to love myself, is because I could do it to somebody else, but I didn't know how to do it to myself. So that's how I began.
Yeah, that's amazing. That's such a good way to put it.
Yeah.
Where do you think you'd be today if you hadn't decided to jump in and do it?
I'm sure that I would be even more unhealthy than what I was. I would be in pain still. I used to blame sitting at a desk for 12 hours why my feet were swollen and why my knees hurt. And here it had nothing to do with sitting, because I sit now at work and I don't have any problems.
Yeah. And you were in the coaching program, is that right?
No.
No? Okay. Sorry. Thought maybe you were.
No.
Gotcha. So what's been throughout all of this, what's been the most fun? What have you enjoyed the most in this process?
Just seeing the reaction from my son, like the muscles. I've always had muscles because I grew up on a farm and like worked in a kitchen lifting heavy pots, and being a single mother, like I have to do man things like helping someone move a washer or moving a whole dresser by myself, like changing tires. Like I do man things as a female, so I've always had muscles, but now like my muscles are way bigger, and like I know that I have bigger muscles than some guys, so like that, I don't know, just knowing how strong I am and seeing definition like that's most fun. And like being able to hit my max weight, and then, you know, in a month I can do even more weight.
That's so cool. You're still growing,
Yes.
Still getting better. True lady boss. What would you say, you've done so much, and there's a lot of ladies out there that are just sitting on the fence, or if you think back to your old self, just don't believe they can do it, or it's just going to be one more thing they try and fail at. What do you say to that person that's going to see you and needs someone to convince them that there's a place for them, that they can totally change?
This is possible for anyone as long as you believe. Whenever I saw Kaelin, I truly believed that she had hope in me, that she believed that I can do this, and me believing her, I believed that I could do this too. So if you don't think that you can, I'm proof that you can. Like, you just have to have a little bit of hope and just keep fighting. Like every single day, I just keep fighting for myself, because I know that I can do this and I'm worth something now.
Yeah. I know you're still, it's never done. The journey is no finish line. So what do you think, having done this now, what sort of potential does it open up for you down the road?
I don't know.
What are you looking forward to? Like anything in the next year? Anything? Doesn't have to be anything big.
Like in the next year, I just look forward to growing stronger mentally. Like this, I feel like where I'm at right now, it's getting harder and harder, because to lose 100 pounds, it seemed like it was nothing. But like the mental part of losing weight and growing as a person, like that's I want to be the strongest mentally that I can.